What's up, everybody? I just wanted to do a quick video on my new product that I just bought, newest product. This is the Sonos IKEA frame speaker. It's kind of cool. Just put it on the wall anywhere. So I have it across from one of my other Sonos speakers just so I can get that stereo sound. Sound on it's good. I wouldn't say it's as good as the regular Sonos one or the other speakers. I'd say the sound is different just because it's on the wall. I think it makes it sound a little different, but it's good. I mean, it's awesome sound as you'd expect from Sonos. You can change the the covers there. These here, this part here comes off, and you can get different covers for it. Not right now. They just put this out, so there's not a lot of there's no new covers for it yet, but I guess down the line there's going to be new covers. Now the tweeter and the woofer are right behind here. They're only the same size as the regular Sonos speaker, so that's why it sounds similar to those speakers. That's how they can get it all in this package here, this thin package. I mean, it's just like a regular frame, right? It's I don't know, I find it pretty cool. Like I said, the sound is pretty good. Kind of got this cool design on the cover here. Anyways, that's my look at it. I have it so that the wire goes down through the wall here. I dropped the wire through the wall just so, you know, it would look like a regular frame. I mean, you can let the wire hang outside of the wall if you want, but that's your choice. The price point is almost exactly the same as the other Sonos speakers, Sonos One. So yeah, that's a look at the Sonos frame. Playing a little song I made up right now in the background there, so I wouldn't have any copyright issues. And that's the look at the speaker. Hope you guys enjoy it. Talk to you later.